to Penang.
Gulat sila. Gulat sila.
Nice.
Oo, lalayo.
Natin alam yung tawiran kung saan. Tsaka wala siyang parang yung tao na nagsa-stop ganun. So, hintayin natin si ate. Ferry. Ano kakainin mo? Poisson. Eh. Ano kakainin mo?
Poisson.
Poisson. Poisson lingerie.
Anong terrace?
Longfong Terrace. Hey. Duan. Ang daming tao dito sa Duan. Ano kaya meron dyan?
Teka lang.
Pero parang, authentic Malaysian cuisine. So, baka kaya, ano siya, famous siya sa mga, foreigner. Basta masarap yung, yes, thank you. I saw that. Iba pala po yung pedestrian nila dito, linya lang.
Parang full stop kasi ang
Full stop ang sasakyan, so pwede ka dito tumawid. Durian. Ay, oo, ang daming tao sa durian. Caricature. Ayun. No stall. Welcome to Penang Art Street, House of Art. Hi! Nice weather Kanina masyadong mainit, ngayon medyo okay na siya.
Oo nga, medyo kalimlim lang aso.
As long as di umulan, okay yan. Ang ganda dito. Saka sobrang festive. Nandito pala lahat ng foreigner. Welcome to Art Street. So, masaya dito.
Maraming tao. Daming puti
Oo, tsaka nandito lahat ng puti. Matsale ang tawag nila. Coco Pie. Coco Pie. Ayun yung EBC. Ice Kachang. Ayan yung chendol. So,
parang masarap yung mango ice.
yes. Bike sana kami. Ganito. Kaya lang yung isa dyan. Hindi alam naman. Mag-bike eh. Hi! Pwede pala mag-rent ng bike pin lang. Hook Tech Chain. Ito ba yun? Puntahan ba natin? Ayan. Ito naman yung nasa Armenian Street na tayo. Temple. Ano to? Intramuros.
Intramuros.
Oo. Ayan, kasi dun yung mga kalesa eh. Dito naman yung mga rickshaw. Pang naaw kahit sa Japan eh. Pero ang mahal sa Japan ng rickshaw ha.
Parang nagbabike naman sila.
Magbabike ba?
Nakabike sila.
Hindi pala siya rickshaw. Ipipedal siya. Cute din naman.
Okay.
Yay! Welcome! Welcome to Penang! We use Becha. Becha.
Becha by Galiwa. Ayan na yung
Yes.
starting here?
No. We just walked there. We didn't start yet. Oh, this is the first one. What is this? Cat.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's one of the reasons you want to take the batcha because they take the photo also. Wow, our tour guide so good. It's very fast because he knows everything. These are the famous spots. So when you have this, when you take the ride, photo is included.
Here city the Chinatown.
Ah.
Inside living whole people Chinese.
Yes. So,
First Chinatown, next one the Little India, Indian town.
So this spot siya, very nice because you just need to sit and they will bring you to the art, ano. And good price also, right?
Perfect yun.
So if you don't, you can walk.
Here the right hand side.
Okay,
Here,
right.
here. Okay. Here the Japanese police station.
Ah, why?
1924.
Ah, in
Yeah,
1924. I thought, I was like, why? Why there's Japanese police
Panahon ng
station?
hapon.
May ganun din sila, paano na? Okay.
Inside hall the durian famous.
Famous durian.
Inside hall durian.
Yan.
This way hall durian.
Oh, yeah.
Here the first stall durian.
Okay. Do you like durian?
No.
No?
This one.
He's very honest. He doesn't like durian. But if you want to try, can.
One temple, 228.
200
Ticket 25.
Ah, to go inside. Ah, okay. Mousse chocolate. Ah.
Kunafa. And the oldest tongue.
Yes.
Tang?
Here, this one.
Ah.
Ayun, squirrel.
Wow! Ay,
Oh, may pa.
may labubu.
The riot.
Look for him if you want to take good photo.
You stand here.
Ang galing kumuha nito.
I want one of them.
Wow!
No, hot, very good.
Yes! It's not very hot. Earlier, it was very hot.
Something.
1908?
Yeah.
1908.
1908.
I saw in TikTok this is the famous fire station. Gentera Bomba. World Heritage. Okay.
Sini yan, saya mau berhenti lah. Sini ko naman, okay.
Oh.
May fighter pala sa dito. Gulat sila. Gulat sila.
Nice.
Oo, lalayo.
Hanapin nyo si Kuya. Kung gusto nyo mabilis at magandang posing.
Ayan, meron dito.
There's Japanese
number two.
fight.
Yeah.
World War number
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, all the old one, no new, all the old.
So the Japanese put their weapon here. Okay. Wow! 55. Oh, they have a lot of thrift shop. No? May picture tube niya na TV. Hall 5. Ay, hindi. 35 at Jetty pala. Kasi may mga stores siya. You can walk, but either you know the places or you use the Google.
The batcha.
Yeah. Lebu Victoria. Chinhongyang.
Yeah, restaurant, the steam food, the famous one.
Ah, this one like a siomai, mga ganun.
Dim sum.
Dim sum. Nanyang Gudang. Mailyu Ki
The
Durian.
coffee shop, they're very nice. The old one, 1950.
Where?
Yeah.
Ah, this one. 1950 coffee shop. Which one? 30 minutes eh. Oh.
Sakto eh. May ano niya.
High-tech photo faster.
Actually, madaming nga sila, bus. Madali naman siya. Tsaka mura. However, wala, lakad-lakad lang kami. Yes, theme park and skywalk. Ang ganda nga nung location ng Moon Hotel. Nasaan?
Moon Hotel Penang is on the right.
At tuluyan na nga napagod ang matatanda. Konting kain, konting gala. Rest daw muna kami. Kasi, grabe. Sobrang, ang pinuntahan pa lang natin ay Penang Art Street. Dami pong mga pupuntahan dito. Penang Hill, Feringhi, Batu Feringhi, pero hindi natin yan mapupuntahan dahil one night only muna tayo. So, may babalik. So, mamaya magbubukas ang mga hawker food stalls. So, Char Kway Teow, we are coming for you.